I absolutely love smoothies. I actually don't have a routine. I'm not into all that. Listen to music, have fun, very chilled, very relaxed. Today I'm making the green machine smoothie, and in the smoothie we've got the oat drink. I'm gonna have some spinach, avocado, kiwi, seeds, and then for garnish, I've got the blueberries and the mint. My secret weapon in boxing is speed. I like to be fast on my feet and have quick hands and not get hit, which is the most important part. This is the fun part. We're just gonna get all these ingredients now, and we're just gonna bang them all in. In the oat drink, it's got a creamy texture and it makes a wicked base. Now for my favorite part, CV action, here we go. Splash them in there, woo! The best thing about not training anymore is not having my coach shouting in my ear all the time. Adams, hurry up and get round the track. Why are you eating that cake? Put it back in the fridge. Garnish, blueberries on there, seeds, and then finish with the mint. I like to stay healthy, stay fit. It's in my DNA, it's in my blood, it's what I do, and it makes me happy. Finishing touches, in goes the straw. That was so cheesy, wasn't it?